Morning everybody. So yeah, nice and crispy morning again this morning. So I got my raincoat, my jacket and some gloves on. It's nice and chilly. It's about 7 degrees today. Shoot down and go get some cows in, eh? Dad, how are you doing?
Good.
Cupping the cow there, I see.
Doing something useful.
Yeah, he was here for the first throw this morning.
Makes a change.
Yeah. I should probably go down my end a little listen.
Yeah, probably.
So you use your finger like that, pushes the teat in. Hey Dad, use your finger to push the teat into the cup. And then you slide the teat into the cup using your finger, or else it can bend over and really hurt the cow. Hey, who's a greaser? Hey, who's a greaser? She's a greaser, this one. Hey. Bendy bop, bendy bop. What's your fishy one? Oh. Good girls. Hello, 141. Come on. Alright, I'll just get some more cows in. Dad started washing the yard. Girl, off you go. Nope, sorry. There he goes, washing the yard. Hey, Bendy Bop. Good girl. Come on, girls, up we go. Come on. And you come, girls. Not many left out here. 2 rows, probably. Come on, girls. That's not looking too bad today. So, where the wild line is just below that, that's where your, that's the 4,000 is. It's about 3.7, 3.6. All done milking. We'll give her a good grease up now. It's on the knuckles and on the maize chopper. And then we'll grease up the wagon. And that'll be good. Hey, Arrow. Here's Bubba. So, yeah, she's all greased up. Both wagons ready to go. Let's go. We better let them go through first. Trailer out. Easy peasy. We got our bale of silage on board. Let's go chop some maize. Watch out, girl. Jeepers. And there's the little boys over here. Well, big boys now. We're off to go reload now. The girls have got their maize. Taking his grabs off. So we'll go up and start loading up with some lime again. Spread some more lime today. Oh yeah. I unplug the plugs, but I forget to do this all the time. That's what these are for. Put those in, keep them nice and clean and safe. Let's go find some lime. She sinks down in this corner. There for now. Let's drop it off on the way through. Here they are. There's another lime paddock done, so I go around the outside and then up and downs. Awesome. Alright, let's go to the next paddock. The next paddock's just over the other side of this hedge here. There's another paddock done. You can actually sort of see some lime on the race there. Little white bits. Shifted the carryover girls here because they were on the stock bank, and there's actually a helicopter going over at the moment. He's doing spraying the drains. Spraying the drains with the exact same stuff we spray with, but just broadcasting from a helicopter boom. Well, let's go and spread some lime. This paddock, this is old stumpy, so we've got to watch out, keep our eyes out, keep our eyes peeled for any stumps. Yes, we want to mulch these rushes eventually, but when we get time, hopefully next week. It really depends on how the weather is. It's meant to pour down this weekend, so if it does pour down, I doubt we'll be in here mulching because this paddock's quite low and can get quite wet. Hence why there's all these rushes in this paddock. But we are working on it. We are slowly spraying them, and next month is the time we start spraying these rushes. Smack bang in the middle of autumn. They do like it sprayed in autumn. I'm gonna leave yous there. All done, and we've just run out. So that was good. It lined up really well. This paddock is a big paddock. Also very hard. It's quite a square paddock, so that's how it works out. And this wind's annoying at the moment because there's no wind. It's very hard to actually adjust where you're going to go with your angles. So that's it. All out. Get on out. Let's go load up again. See where Dad wants us to spread next. Much lime left. Probably something sorted. What's that? Chippies.
Some
Snack.
fish bites for you.
Oh, snack. Breakfast. Thank you. This is churro maize chopper he's working on. He's fixing her up.
There's a new wheel we got.
Oh, yep.
But the bolts aren't long enough to fit now. We've got to pull it in, and it's got a lot of weight on it. So I just bought some slightly longer bolts, and I'll do them up and pull it in, and then once they bite, once these shorter ones can bite, I'll do them up and take that out.
That's the one. 4 bolts.
About 6.
6 bolts. It should pull it in.
Yeah, you can progress that. Should line them up nicely. 3 should line up perfect.
And you'll tighten them up. It should pull the wheel back together.
Yep.
And then he puts the smaller bolts in and pulls out those longer ones.
Yep.
Because this usually crumps up to about this size here. About as wide as that.
Yeah. Got a long way to crump.
Yeah. Right, now you're going to spread some more lime.
Yep.
I'll leave you to it.
Yep. Have you done this?
We're off again. So we haven't got as big of a load as what we usually have. Yeah, well, it's another good paddock to do. So done. Yeah. Come on. I've changed my tactic because I can't see back that way if I go back that way, so I'm going round in circles. Wow, squares. Can you see? Give it a second. I can't see much through it. Oh, that was our line we just crossed over. Done. It's another paddock down. It's our revs, a rev button. Disengage the spinners. Bring up the floor while the little one that gets the floor going. We're into our next paddock. Lighten the load off a little bit before we decide to come back and go into number 6 here, because number 6 is still quite wet through the middle where the rushes are, but not too wet. So if we were full, we'd go through the peak there, but if it's not full, then we'll just go over the top quite nicely. Can't see diddly squat. Good, we're in the middle still. It's a positive. Last run for this paddock. Small moving. No, that's good. Let's go, next paddock. Last paddock. So we're going to shoot up now, have a quick wash, and then Dad said he's going to take the maize chopper in, or I'm going to take the maize chopper in, and we're going to get a steel piece welded to it so that instead of maize tangling around one side of the chopper, it pushes it more to the centre. I'll show you when we get there. Yeah, so let's go and wash up. And, that'll probably be a day once we get that into town. Washed up back then. We'll just put it on the stand. Dad's getting the 2-row maize chopper ready because we didn't notice it one day, but we broke the stand in there, so we got to lift her up now. Dad had to lift her with the chain here. Where are we connected on? There we go. Because the stand here broke it. The handle's gone. Oh well. Put the chain away. We'll hook her back up, reverse the maize out and get this piece added to it. How'd Dad go? There it is. It's got the brand new wheel on. And we've just got to connect that back up. Get a new chain on there. Reconnect it up. Awesome. Maize out of it. I'll clean it up. Looks good. She's working. She's working again. He's going to shoot off to town. So his plan is he's going to see how it's quite an opening there on the right. He's going to get that and weld a little piece on the right hand side of this and make it so that it goes better. Goes more straight into it. Okay, we're going to grab the other tractor here and we're going to go and give her a wash. There he goes. He's off to town. She's nice and clean now. Right, with that we'll wait for Dad. Because he's just shot off into the local township. He's going to go grab that, get that fixed up. We're going to go and wash that, see what we sent. I know we sent 3,617 litres today, which was to be expected. So yeah, all good. We'll get to washing up and we'll wait for Dad to get back and see if he managed to get that piece sorted, unless they're going to do it another day. Finished washing the vat. That's us. I gave her a good bomb wash with a alkali and a hypo, and then a rinse and a acid, then a rinse. There's the final rinse just going through now. It's nice and washed, ready for the night milking. Catch you all at milking tonight. And there goes Dad. He's off to go get the cows in, and I'm going to show you something about 2-row maize chopper. Yes, we're also cleaning out the pump. This girl here that was on the single row maize chopper, she's off now. We're going to go hook her up to the trailer. There we go. She's all hooked up, ready to go. And also, there's our single row chopper. Not quite put away yet because we've got one more job to do before she gets put away for the year. And here's what Dad was looking for. So he's put that steel plate here to stop the maize from going in there, because it was going in the side of that blade there and getting stuck in there. So now it's got no choice but to file through and go that way. Try her out tomorrow, see how it goes. Should be successful. I thought while I was waiting for the cows to come down, I might as well put the forks on this tractor so I can grab the bales for tomorrow. Beauty. Tomorrow she's back in business. Back into chopping maize. Rightio, let's get to it. There he is, still coming, he's just by the tree. Stop our freezing girl behind the freezing girl here. Good girls, come on. Come on, 24. Off you go, darling. You've been milked. Hello, come on. Good girls. Simple, but effective.
Yeah, beautiful day here too. What a crack.
It so long because he gets annoyed and goes, okay, go pull the meal. Dad's just pushing the cows up and he's going to wash the yard. Right, Dad? Dad's wetting the cups now. We're nearly at the end of milking. Makes it a lot easier to wash them when he wets them now. And you'll come back and wash a couple of them. Nice and clean. Right, we'll get to it. I'm putting the wash through now and I'll put a rinse. Dad's washing the rest of the yard. And then he's got the weekend off. Except he's been nice enough to give me Saturday night off to go and play rugby. Okay. Old Chris is here for the weekend, but Dad will be here Saturday night, and I'm here Saturday morning and Sunday. What do you say, Dad?
Like and subscribe, I'll see you in the morning.
Yep, Dad, I will. He won't.
We'll go chop maize.
Oh, that's right, he's going to go chop maize in the morning. Right, see you in the morning. Let's go feed out. Taking this girl off to go and feed out. This girl's now done just under 70 hours, so 68.7 hours. She's doing well. Okay, got our load on the back. We're ready to go and feed out. See us down there. with that, I'll see you all in the morning. Thank you.